Good morning, everyone. We are here now to present Chapter 9, the event team. The group of people who are behind the event are what we call the event team. But before we identify the people in the event team, we will discuss first the task that the event team needs to be done. In this chart, it shows the different tasks.
Financial administration. Staff are responsible for the overall fiscal management, accounting, and financial reporting for the department. The job of managing financial tasks for a company or organization, for example, controlling the budget, writing financial reports, and providing money for projects.
One of the things that the event team needs to do is to make an invitation. Invitation is the written or verbal inviting someone to go somewhere or to do something. Invitation is used for the promotion. It could be artwork, printing, and posting. For an event to run smoothly, invitation is important to inform the guest of the most known details, which are the host, the day, the date, the time, the venue, and the motive. Invitation is also important in making an event because it can help to make guests feel valued.
Registration is the process of compiling individual scan into a cohesive point cloud. It involves taking raw scan data collected on-site and producing a point cloud that can be used for modeling and measuring. Pre-registration allows attendees to register for any event using their name and email address ready for check-in. Refers to that a visitor confirms his or her visiting interest as well as the visiting data to the show organizer. Transportation. For most event planners, transportation plays a crucial role in the experience they provide to their guests. If planned and executed correctly, the transportation can be an extension of the event, not a distraction. On-site registration. On-site registration and check-in set the tone of the whole event that gives your attendees a polished, efficient registration experience by adding on-site service to your contract. Example, an individual barcode emailed to each registrant, a quick scan to the venue, print the correct badge. Forms, a structured document with a fixed arrangement. Software, electronically stored data that gives instruction to a computer. Hardware refers to that a physical element of a computer. Staff, when you prepare for an event, you can't overlook the crucial details of who will be staffing your event. The staff for an event affects the entire experience. One of the event concept is venue and atmosphere. Under venue and atmosphere are contract, setup, and styling. These three are needed to make the preparation perfect. Contract is needed to protect all the parties involved in a specific event. Setup is needed to make the program alive, and styling is used to make the event colorful and jolly.
Program. The program of the event is the schedule of activities from the start of the event to its conclusion. For a sports event, the program governs which competitors participate at what time. For a conference, the program stipulates the time of lectures and workshops, what topics are offered, and who is presenting. A program can be subdivided into two aspects, the sequence and technical aspects. The sequence arranges and allots time for speakers, talents, and AVP. The sequence of the programs includes time allotment and their time slot. These should be scheduled as soon as possible in order to prepare the technical equipment needed for the particular portion of the program. For the technical portion of the program, it includes the stage, AV equipment, CCTV, and projector. This is important in order to provide the necessary support and equipment needed for each portion of the program. It is also important to prepare all the tools and equipment for that segment of the program to avoid technical difficulty and failures.
The last part of the event concept is treats. Is an event or item that gives great pleasure and provide with enjoyment of gratification. Treats should have food, serve on an occasion for guests, is a priority of any event that has a large role to play in the success of the event. Souvenir is an event a person acquires for the memories, an object that guests can bring after the party. Companion activities. It is a wide-ranging pursuits and events. This is ensure that each resident has an opportunity to engage in activities.